Hi guys, and welcome. This is me, JV Rose, singing vegan mum. And guess what? I know you know it. I know it. You know it. It's Valentine's Day. There's love in the air. There's more kisses in the air. There's feelings in the air. Oh yeah. I hope you're having a lovely Valentine's Day, even if you're spending it by yourself. Find some time to just relax, have a bath, cup of tea, wine, champagne. Just love on yourself. Now today I have a lovely recipe, two actually. I was actually asked could I do some desserts. The reason why I did two recipes because they're really simple, they're raw, there's no cooking involved. The first thing I'm going to make, hold on a minute, but before I go on, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have you subscribed? If you're looking at me and I'm looking at you, did I tell you who I was? Oh yes, I said it earlier. I'm JV Rose. Did I say I was a singer? Yes, I'm a singer. I'm a vegan and I'm a mum, and I come to you every Sunday with different vegan recipes just for you. You don't have to be a vegan, but the recipes are pretty cool, even if I say so myself. So let me carry on. So I have two recipes. I made some raw vegan chocolate nut balls, really simple and easy to make. I made them in minutes. Something for you to share with you and your partner, or just for you and yourself. And they're healthy, so not only do they taste good, they're healthy too, so you won't feel like, oh my god, what did I do last night? I overate. No, you'll be like, oh, it was cool, man. And then I made a peach and chia seed pudding. It was delicious. So guys, let me not keep you too much. I know you have things to do. So let's get into it. My chocolate and nut balls and my beautiful pudding. I have some mixed nuts. Can you see it? A cup of mixed nuts. Then I'm going to add a cup of raisins. 3 beautiful figs. For some flavor, I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. To get this off the chisel, I also have some cocoa powder. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of cocoa powder. And yes, you guessed it guys, we are going to blitz it. Now simply we just grab a spoon and we make into little balls. It depends on how small or big you want them. I'm going to make them into little baby bite-sized balls like that. And I'm going to put them on my plate, just like that. And the kids can make this so easily done. Look at that, it's so easy, beautiful. Look at that. And now for our peach pudding, I have some delicious coconut yogurt. Ooh, look at that. It is so delicious. And I'm going to add to my coconut some chia seeds, really healthy. And we are going to mix these together. Dessert. And we are simply, from here on in, just going to pile it in. So excuse the fingers. We're going to start off with 1, maybe 2. Then we're going to add a dollop. Oh! And then we're just going to layer it up, guys. Look at that. And then we're going to add another dollop. How lovely. And then, we're already nearly there. Oops. I don't know how much fruit. I like a lot of fruit. More dollops, guys. More dollops. I believe on top. Oh. A plain dollop on top. One there. One there. A little bit of agave on top. Just, ooh. Hiya, so I am off to a lovely interview with Now TV, I think View Now TV. We're going to walk with the lovely Michael Garrison and talk about music and all that good stuff. So I'm going to capture moments of it. Should be a good time. We're hoping it doesn't rain, otherwise I'm going to be walking and talking in the rain, which is not going to be great, but looking forward. So, how embarrassing. I am so late, like maybe an hour and a half late. I got on the motorway and I just followed the sat nav and I thought this is taking very long, this journey. And I'm so ashamed. They are waiting, not looking very happy. I'm gonna have to find some jokes. We'll do a good interview for View Now TV, Michael Garrison. I don't want this reputation to follow me. So hey, what can we do? Okay. On the way down I was going, boy, I'm ashamed, I'm embarrassed until now.
You should be.
Hey, look.
You got a big enough bag with you.
Yeah, go on.
Look, I thought she was going to, listen, I'm going to have to show you this lady a little bit later.
Beautiful park. Michael's taking some lovely pictures and I think he's right. I'm going to take some pictures. Having a good time, even though I'm late, yeah? Really bad, so late, so bad. Lovely little river thing. You can see one little, they're not called barges, what are they called again when you see them thing there?
No, they think it is barge.
Beautiful area. I've never seen, you know what, I've never seen a barge close up. Wow, this is fantastic. We're in Essex. You can see like a sea of...
Put it on pause. When she's finished talking, maybe we'll do a little walk along here.
Yeah. There's like a sea of barges along here. This is so nice. Is that one abandoned as well? I'm not even sure now what is real. What I'm not sure if some of them are like real.
This shot here, Middlesex.
Really lovely. I'm so pleased I came. You know, I didn't know what to expect. Michael's interviewed me. And it's a lovely day. We must get out, guys. I know everyone feels depressed, but try and jump out, man. It's really good. So this is our final shot for the lovely Michael Garrison's little thing.
Am I lovely? Oh,
you are
nice.
lovely. I've kind of hijacked his thing, you know. It's really bad. Has he got a name, Michael?
What's that?
Your
yeah,
little...
keep up.
Keep up. You see, I've hijacked his keep up, yeah? But never mind. Michael loves me anyway, isn't it, Mike?
No?
He's so funny.
Only beautiful people. Oh, yeah. Where? Sorry, I got my sunglasses
You got to lean side to side. Yeah, that's it. You see what I mean? Yeah, and then you want to go the other side. You lean your whole body the other way. It's working the other way. Your whole body. Woo! Uh-oh. So I'm going to get the specimens. Here are the lovely chocolate balls. And as you can see, the dessert is looking gorgeous. So guys, first things first. Shall we try chocolate nut balls? Really lovely. Really lovely. And it's sweet. So you'll still feel like you're eating, like, I don't know, a conventional box of chocolates. It's lovely. And it's just cacao and cocoa powder, just giving it that chocolatey taste, along with the raisins and the figs and the nuts. Really, such a simple recipe to make. So anytime you haven't got any chocolate in the house, just do this. All right, guys, it's gorgeous. Now, you know me, I like cup of tea with these things. I haven't made one today, so I'm going to make my tea. I'm going to go in later after this video. In fact, while I'm editing this video, cup of tea and some of my chocolate balls. The reason why I only did one of these, you know why, right? Yeah, you guessed it. You're going to share it. First one for me. Again, tasty, sweet, but healthy. So you won't feel like, oh my God, you got to know it was alright. This is the most simplest, easiest, sweetest, gorgeousest dessert you can make, and you will still feel gorgeous. It looks gorgeous, it tastes gorgeous. I hope you like my recipes. Now remember, like, subscribe, share, tell everybody about my lovely food and recipes. I would really appreciate it. Also, if you try my recipes, let me know, share it with me, take pictures, send me pictures of it, and let me know all about it. I love cooking and I love sharing with you. I wasn't able to put up my next installment of the new music program that I do called The Flavour of Music. Well, why? I simply just wasn't well. So don't worry, it's coming. And as I mentioned last week, it's a lovely Zalon who used to work with the lovely Amy Winehouse. You're gonna love the cooking program. We cooked food together, we sang, we had a great time. So watch all my socials. It's coming out. My interview with Zalon, who worked with Amy Winehouse and is an absolutely fantastic, fabulous singer. So look out for that, please, guys. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. I hope you have a day of love. I hope you have a year of love. Have a blessed Valentine's Day for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl.